doesn't fit. Looks correct, it's got the retaining strap here, but it just won't go in. Don't quite know what's going on. Hi, welcome to my latest video. Today I'm going to do a very quick video on fuel caps. I bought myself a camcorder here. This is a Sony Handycam camcorder, and I'm going to try and film the rest of this video using that. I've not used it for one of my YouTube videos yet, so it'll be interesting to see what the quality and the sound is like. It's a little bit breezy today, okay, so it's dry and sunny, but the leaves on the trees are rustling quite a bit in the breeze. So I've got my external microphone here connected up into the camera here, and I put this kind of dead furry rat thing on there to try and reduce the wind noise. Okay, so it'd be interesting to see how we get on. I will now switch across to this and carry on filming. So the other day I went to fill up with fuel, and when I opened the flap on the side of the car, my fuel cap was missing. My first thought was that somebody had stolen it, but then I remember the previous time I got fuel, I did hear something rattling about on the roof of the car, and then it stopped rattling, and I thought nothing more of it. I now realise that was my fuel cap. The little kind of retaining cord broke off years ago, so what I do is undo the cap, put it up on top of the car and fill up with fuel. Now I remember that it was a pay at pump fuel station, so I must have paid, got my receipt, flicked that shut and driven off. Fuel cap still on the roof of the car. So what did I do? I filled up with fuel, didn't brim it right up, and I bought one of these things in the garage. It's just an emergency sort of temporary kind of fuel cap. It's like a sort of weird, it's like a giant rule plug kind of thing where you tighten that down and that expands out. So I put that in and tightened it down, and it was good enough as a temporary measure just to stop any diesel spilling out, but it's not a long-term solution. So I went online and I bought myself a Freelander 2 fuel cap, this one here, and this is part number LR2 quite expensive. It's brand new, you can get them second hand, and this one was about £30. And when it arrived, I went to fit it, it wouldn't thread in. Something going on with the thread there. It doesn't fit. Looks correct, it's got the retaining strap here, but it just won't go in. Don't quite know what's going on. And then I looked up online, and there are actually two types with different part numbers. Okay, so you've got the LR034129, and there's also LR004112. What's the difference? So I bought one of these, and that goes on no problem. Okay, and that then connects up to there. There we go. Okay, so that's the correct fuel cap. Left me wondering what this other one's for then. Did I buy a fuel cap for another car by mistake? And then I realised, a little bit of research on the web, that this type of cap here with this different thread, if we hold the two out, you see they are quite different. This is for 2011 onwards. Okay, so as a very, very rough guide, if you've got a facelift model of Freelander 2 with the different grille, then you probably need one of these. Okay, so the actual cutoff is on the chassis number. Okay, so the corner of your windscreen there will be your VIN number or your chassis number. If that ends in BA and then 6 digits, then you need this type, the later type. Okay, if your chassis number is AH and 6 digits, then you need this one. Okay, now mine's a 2009 and my chassis number does end in AH and then 6 digits. Okay, so that's the one I need, and this one is not required. I hope that was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.